Hey guys, welcome to another edition of Benching and Bitching with Bob. Bob Witt, Illinois State Powerlifting Champion, won the Illinois State Powerlifting Championship in 1989. Underground tip of the day, people. We're going to stick with the deadlift. So whichever hand is your, if you're right-handed or left-handed. So if you're right-handed, you need to grab the bar with an overhand grip with your right and an underhand grip with your left. Being that your dominant hand is your right, your left hand is going to be a little bit weaker. So it's easier to grab the bar with an underhand grip and then have an overhand grip with your stronger hand. It just makes sense and it works. I've tried both ways. I'm right-handed. I always grip the bar with my right overhand and underhand with my left, always. So, opposite, if you're left-handed, overhand grip to the left, underhand to the right. Try it. If you're not using that kind of grip and your dominant hand is your right, and you're overhanding your left, switch it. Overhand right, underhand left. It'll work, I'm telling you. If you don't think it matters, it does. So give that a try. I really like the fact that some people are following my tips now. I've gotten some really positive feedback, and we'll just keep going with this. So please make sure that you subscribe and like so I can keep giving you guys some information here. As I said, just keep following all of my instructional advice. It'll help. I've been doing this for a long time. Have a great day. Again, remember I told you, it's okay to bitch, just don't be one, and I ain't no bitch. Anyway, have a great day, everybody. Follow my tips, stay strong, make sure you're eating properly, make sure you're getting enough rest. I'll be back again with another tip. I'll be back with another bitch, which is always fun, and I'll see you later. Have a great day, everybody.